We're back again. First elevator ride of 2024. I thought I would be able to get in there, but nope. Can't watch a change. Look at the cab for the first time this year. Cold rail. It's overloaded. Listen to that. Just up there. According to, I forgot the name. This is a surge lantern, so this maybe used to be a surgeon. I have no clue what this thing was. Sensor indicator, that's the... Why did that catch me off guard? There's a hatch here, there's the light, there's this fan. And this whole cab is just so weird. These I like to call the peeling paint doors, because paint always peels off of these. And now it looks like there's some up there and right there. There she goes. And Happy New Year 2024.